Wow. At ice, we have about 20-25 knots of wind here on the ground. It really is blowing. Should have parked right into wind because it makes the doors, you have to hold it with one hand to get your gear in and out. You can see my little chest pocket that I'm wearing. It's really good. That fits the phone, pens. I've got a little bag in there nicely, and it fits nicely under the life jacket when we wear that. And in the event that we did have to egress from the helicopter, I can put my phone in there and it comes with me. To the side, I already have the little InReach personal locator beacon, which you can use to communicate on the phone. Obviously it's a red button for emergency too.